First, unpack the contents of the bag. Do this with care.
Switch on power.
Attach the power supply to the mixing desk.
Attach LXR lead to mixing desk. Attach microphone to LXR lead.
And then switch on the power.
Afterwards, attach black and red mono jacks into main out. Following this, attach stereo jack to the back of the computer.
Set gain dial. Set channel volume. Set master volume.
Make sure the microphone is on. Check recording levels in the software.
Record 10 seconds of sound. Play back what you have recorded.
Save your project. Disassemble the mixing desk.
And finally, replace everything back into the bag neatly.